Hi guys, so we're gonna make my sandwich, a jelly sandwich. It's gonna be easy, it's gonna be quick, and then I can use something else. So we gotta get the bread. But first, we need the paper towel. Ooh, I ripped it a little bit, but that's okay. We still have some more. Put it on the counter. Put bread, but if you see two bread, put this bread here and put the other bread next to it. And then a knife so you can spread it, because I know spoon can spread pepperoni pizza sauce. Make it flat first and make the other one flat. And then get some jelly. Jelly, my favorite. Ooh, it's like a munchie. It's like a little bit. There we go. Nice and better. I got this. Whatever. Tastes good. And we're gonna do the other one, because I don't know why the jelly's still.
Then scrape it out with a knife.
It's just gonna be a little bit there, because we're gonna cut the like brown thing on the sandwich, because I don't like the brown thing.
What brown thing?
This part.
The edges. The crust. The crust is good.
I don't like the crust.
You used to eat it.
I don't like it anymore.
Here.
Oops. Jelly fell. And now the perfect. Oh, no, we're not done yet, because we need to get this off. That better? So, do you know what happened? The video stopped there because there's like a squirting on it.